Welcome guys, welcome once again to my channel. Today's video we're gonna walk somewhere around the Ghana's area through to the Koforidua Zongo. I'm gonna show you this part of Cape Town. Join me, let's go. This road basically takes you to the Ghana Secondary School and as well takes you to the Koforidua Zongo, which is one of the well-planned Zongos in Ghana. I think so far I've given you lots of videos about Cape Town. It's my own town. It is exactly the Ghana Senior High School junction. So I think that's their signboard. And over there is the road to the school. So that's the school's wall. I think it's far away over there. That road takes you into the school. So we're heading on our journey. This same road also takes you into the main Koforidua in Krakan Road. That also links you up to Tema in Accra as well, but that's not the main route to Accra Tema, but it also links you up to those areas. We are in an area called the Boshe area. There used to be a popular prayer center here that belongs to the Church of Pentecost. So I think the Boshe is what is on my left. That is the structure on my left. So that's the Boshe. So they call this area Boshe. We are gradually heading towards the Koforidua Zongo area. So if you ever live in this neighborhood or you ever stayed here, kindly leave a comment and don't forget to share your memories of the days that you used to live here. It's been a long time since I come to this area, so I'm actually losing my direction, as a matter of fact. So there's also another Church of Pentecost there. I think that one they call it the Church of Pentecost Ebenezer Assembly. It's a huge church there. So I'm gonna find out which route to take. Should I go left or should I go right? So that's the point. Maybe I need to go right. But I don't know where this particular road will lead to. So I'm gonna head towards this direction. There are a lot of these moped cars here around this area. I saw more in other cities as well, but I'm seeing more here in Cape Town, especially in the Zongo area. So this is where the direction we are taking to. I think the down there behind me is where they call the Askorekuma, but we won't go there. We're gonna walk forward towards the Zongo itself proper. Kind of getting dark. I haven't gotten into the Zongo inside itself, but we are on the road to springing up to here. So that's another community in there. So I don't know whether I have to go. I think I have to go straight to get to the Zongo area. There's a spot nearby. The place is a bit noisy. So all this green space you see here is part of the Ghana school compound. It's a huge compound. Population increase. So that's the Ghana's wall, school wall. So a kind of the area has changed as well. You can see a lot of tarred roads that has been constructed in here. Unlike first, so Edmond Accra Road. So that's the Edmond Accra Road. And there are communities located beneath the mountain. So we're gradually heading towards the main Koforidua Zongo area. Kind of a bit tired as these days I have not been resting due to my mom's funeral. But we're gonna walk down the street, we're gonna walk down the road. So now we're approaching the Maylori Street. So that's the Maylori Street. That also goes down, deep down onto the foot of the mountain. So what you're seeing now on your screen, or the area you're seeing now on your screen, is the Koforidua Zongo. We still have the Ghana's campus stretching to this edge. It's a huge campus, so all this side also forms part of the Ghana's campus. It's a very huge campus. What a beautiful Zongo that you're seeing. Wow. So we are directly inside Koforidua Zongo. I think I need to get one of this yeah. It didn't stop. I need to get one of these moped cars to take me on my trip. I'm getting a bit tired. So it's a failure junction. So let me try zoom on that. So that's a sign there. It's a failure junction. So all this side is part of the Zongo. So as you can see, it's a very neat and well planned Zongo. Nice one there. I think maybe I need to stand at the other side and get. So put up your sign. So we are still driving through the. Here you go. I'm doing my vlog. Still driving through the Koforidua Zongo area. So you see the beauty of the Zongo. Here is the Ghana's school wall. It's a huge school. So spreading. So you can see Ghana's is a huge school. So we're riding through the Koforidua Zongo. Actually, I couldn't give you the foot by foot view because I'm a bit tired. So we decided to get myself one of the moped cars, which they call Pladia. So take you through my city. So this is my city, Koforidua, and this is Koforidua Zongo. So we're touring the Zongo, which is much planned. I'm told it's one of the most planned Zongos in Ghana, of course, and there's no commotion about that. You can see from the road network and the way the houses are aligning. Coming to you live on my channel. This is Godwin. So taking you through the beauty of Koforidua Zongo, showing you. I think go right. So no. Let's go straight, more straight. Yeah, I think we need to go straight. I think my driver lost his way. We are back on the tour. taking you through the Koforidua Zongo. So we're gonna go. We're heading towards the Minila Junction. And I'm going to tell the history of the Minila Junction. And I'm going to give you the history of the Minila Junction. I think so. So that road also takes you to, I think, magazine. So this one takes you to Minila Junction, right? So let's go. So we're still moving on. And you can see the mountain of Waterbury from this side, but I haven't zoomed on it yet. So here we go, inside Koforidua Zongo. Of course, you would agree with me that it is the most nicest Zongo in Ghana by all standards. Such a huge neighborhood. I think we used the wrong route. This one is going to take us to Angona town rather. Not so. We used the wrong route. So you have to turn and then go and use the other road. You have to turn and go and use the other road. So turn from the top here and use the other road. Right? In Beautiful Zongo. So we're going through the Zongo area proper. Taking you through. We entered the Zongo, another side of the Zongo where basically we touring, but my driver now has seen the road. I thought he got missing riding around, but I think he's seen the road, so we're going to use another corner to get into the road if he's not lost. If you're not lost at all. Whereas my driver says he's lost. He can't find a way. So you see, okay, he gradually gotten me into the main road, the Shukura house. I hope I got right. So we are inside the main Zongo road. Wow, so we joined the main Zongo road and we're off. So that's another road entering another corner of the Zongo. Wow. Ghost Town in the building. That's a huge drain. The area is kind of busy, so I have known here for so many years. So still on the streets, yeah, of Beautiful Zongo. In case you don't know, this is one of the finest, a huge area that we are exploring today. The gentleman couldn't find his way. Still touring the Zongo. Okay, I think we finally got to another end, but we didn't go through the main route. That is the Minila route. So that's going to be ending our trip here. Well guys, thank you very much for watching this trip around Koforidua Zongo. Thank you very much.